Okay, hopefully you saw the other video of that. And obviously this is going to Facebook, not YouTube, just because I don't even really have a YouTube video yet, just because I'm lazy and stuff. Now, I know what you're thinking, oh, you're just going to ride down this hill. No, I'm going to jump off my bike and hurt myself bad. Jesus Christ, why was I even born? Ah! 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 Ow! Look out for my butt! Ah! Ow! My hip! I'm just picking. Okay. Send me $1 million, please.